प्यारे बच्चों सत श्री अकाल। ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਰਾਉਣ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ ਮਾਡਲ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੇਪਰ ਕਮ ਸੈਂਪਲ ਪੇਪਰਸ MBD ਦੀ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੀ ਬੁੱਕ ਚੋਂ ਟਰਮ 2 ਸੋਸ਼ਲ ਸਟੱਡੀਜ਼ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਐਡੀਸ਼ਨ 2022 10ਵੀਂ ਜਮਾਤ ਪੰਜਾਬ यानी PSAB ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ न्यू स्टाइल मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर नंबर 2 पहला मैंने मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर नंबर 1 मेरे चैनल पर पा दिता सी। तो पार्ट ए फर्स्ट है आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन वन वर्ड और वन सेंटेंस। ईच क्वेश्चन कैरीज 1 मार्क्स। फर्स्ट है नेम द स्टेट्स विद द लार्जेस्ट एंड लीस्ट पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द कंट्री। तो सब तो पहला जो लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन है वह है उत्तर प्रदेश की और लीस्ट पॉपुलेशन है वह है सिक्किम की। दूजा वट डू यू मीन बाय सैक्स रेशियो। तो इसका उत्तर है द प्रोपोर्शनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द सेक्सेस इन पॉपुलेशन एग्रीगेट एक्सप्रेस्ड एज द नंबर ऑफ मेल्स पर 100 फीमेल्स। थर्ड वट इज़ मेंट बाय स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री। तो इसका उत्तर है दोज इंडस्ट्रीज इन विच मैन्युफैक्चरिंग production and renting of services are done in small scale. Fourth, when was Ranjit Singh born? What was his father's name? तो इसका उत्तर है महा सिंह and he was born in 1780. Fifth, how many chambers a state legislature has give their names? A state legislature has 2 chamber, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Part B, answer the following question in 25 to 30 words. Each question carries 2 marks. First, write a note on monsoon vegetation. Monsoon vegetation usually shed their leaves during the season and come into leaf at the start of the rainy season. Second, what is the importance of wind energy in India? तो इसका उत्तर है टू जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, यह फर्स्ट है। सेकंड टू ग्राइंड द व्हीट इन फ्लोर मिल्स। थर्ड टू रन पंप टू ड्रॉ वाटर फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड। तीजा एक्सप्लेन द प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट इन इंडिया। द प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट इन इंडिया इज हैविंग मोर प्रोग्रेस देन द पास्ट। द एडवांसमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड द प्रोडक्ट्स आर इन predictably impressive and the 3 main sectors are private, public and joint. आगे है चौथा राइट एनी 4 terms of the भैरवल ट्रीटी। तो इसका उत्तर है भैरवल ट्रीटी द फर्स्ट द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ लाहौर वॉज इंट्रस्टेड टू अ बॉडी ऑफ 8 scholars। आगे दूजा द गवर्नर जनरल अपॉइंटेड ब्रिटिश रेजिडेंट एट लाहौर। थर्ड the council of regency was to work according to advice of British resident। Fourth, Rani Jindan was ousted from the Punjab. She was given a pension of 1 lakh rupees annually। आगे है पंजवा write a brief note on the policy of non-alignment। तो इस उत्तर है when India got independence the world was divided into 2 hostile groups। Pandit Nehru, who put forth the idea of non-alignment, believed that India should keep himself a foot from struggle between 2 blocks। अगे है पार्ट सी जिस दे विच आपां ने 80 तो लैके 100 शब्दां विच इसके उत्तर देने हैं और हर एक क्वेश्चन कैरी करता है 4 मार्क्स। सब तो पहला प्रश्न है व्हाट आर द मेन मोटिव्स ऑफ नेशनलाइजेशन ऑफ कोल इंडस्ट्री। तो इसका उत्तर है accusation of inadequate private investment and the prevalence of unscientific mining practice already behind it। The poor working conditions of labor, particularly safety conditions, turned an economic activity into a political argument that led to nationalization। Second है describe the main iron ore belts of India। तो यह है ओडिशा टू झारखंड बेल्ट। इन ओडिशा हाई granite ore is found in Bhadampur mines in the Mayurbhanj and Kendujhar districts। Third है describe the importance of agriculture in Indian economy। तो इस तरह agriculture is an important sector of Indian economy It contributes about 17% to the total GDP and provides employment to even 60% of the population. Fourth है describe the efforts made by Ghadar party to promote national movement. The 17,000 of volunteers were enrolled in the party. They melted the soldiers to rise in revolt. Sardar Kartar Singh Sarafa sought the help of Lala Ramsaran Das of Kapurthala to bring out a newspaper called Ghadar, but he could not succeed in doing so. Later, Ghadar was published. In February 1915, Sarafa tried to begin an armed revolt at Firozpur. Again, चौथा describe the incident of गुरु का बाग. यह है पांचवा प्रश्न. Guru Ka Bagh was a movement or a morcha taken out by the Sikhs to regain the control of their place of worship in the year 1920. All too many gurdwaras became independent. This one was still under government control and was managed by Mohantas. छेवां प्रश्न discuss the organization and functions of Election Commission of India. The Election Commission has a right to allot symbols to the political parties. It gives recognition to the national parties, state parties and regional parties. It sets limits on poll expenses. The commission prepare electoral rolls and update the voters list from time to time. आगे है पार्ट डी. इस विच सोर्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है. महान सिंह died in 1792 AD. At that time Ranjit Singh was 12 years old. Being minor, the reins of administration were put in the hands of his mother Raj Kaur. She handed over the entire administration to Sardar Lakhpat Rai. In 1796 AD, Ranjit Singh got married to Mehtab Kaur. Her mother-in-law Sada Kaur also started taking keen interest in the administration of Sukharchakia Misl. The administration of Sukharchakia Misl remained in the hands of Raj Kaur, Diwan Lakhpat Rai and Sada Kaur from 1792 to 97 AD, as Ranjit Singh was minor during this period. Therefore, this period is called period of twin regency. In 1797 AD, when Ranjit Singh turned 17, he took the reins of administration in his hands. Meanwhile, Raj Kaur and Diwan Lakhpat Rai died. Sada Kaur helped Ranjit Singh in his early conquests. Ranjit Singh appointed Dal Singh, the maternal uncle of his father Mahan Singh, as his prime minister. Read the source and answer the following question. First प्रश्न है, when did Ranjit Singh took the reins of the administration? इसका उत्तर है in 1797 AD. When Ranjit Singh turned 17, he took the reins of the administration in his hands. दूसरा, which period is called as a period of twin regency? The administration of Sukharchakia Misl remained in the hands of Raj Kaur, Diwan Lakhpat Rai and Sada Kaur from 1792 to 1797 AD, as Ranjit Singh was minor during this period. Therefore, this period is called as period of twin regency. तीजा, how did the twin regency period end? तो इसका उत्तर है कि जब ਉਹ 17 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਤਾਂ इसका यही याद आएगा कि in 1797 when Ranjit Singh turned 17, he took the reins of the administration in his hands. Meanwhile, Raj Kaur and Diwan Lakhpat Rai died. ਅੱਗੇ ਹੈ ਪਾਰਟ ਈ. ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੈਪ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਹੈ. ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਾ ਸਕਦਾ, ਮੈਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਵੀਡੀਓ 'ਚ ਕਰਾ ਦੇਵਾਂਗਾ. ਤਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਲਈ ਇੰਨਾ ਹੀ. ਮੈਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਮਿਲੂੰਗਾ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ. ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰੇ ਦੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ.